I got mumbar and a little bit of mahshi. There used to be a lot more mahshi, but I ate it. Mumbar is stuffed intestines, by the way. It's stuffed with rice and so many fresh herbs. Next, we have stuffed zucchini. This is the best way to eat any vegetables. Whoever invented mahshi is a genius. I am not surprised. Egyptians are very smart. Next is stuffed eggplant. Just melts in your mouth. So tender. Next is one of my favorites, stuffed bell pepper. Oh, I love peppers so much. Isn't it funny that in some Asian TV shows they portray bell peppers as if they're broccoli? They always show little kids hating them. They claim it's bitter. How? They cook the zucchini perfectly. It is not soggy, it still has a bit of crunch to it. That's how vegetables should be cooked. If it's wilting and so soft, it is just the worst. That's why kids hate broccoli, by the way. Parents often overcook it and it just looks so mushy. And also because they steam it, and steamed vegetables may be the healthiest, but it just doesn't taste the best.